So today we are going to create our own custom version of ChatGPT that is made specifically for PineScript. This is going to be a part of our series where we're creating a crypto trading bot that is built based off of GPTs. Let's dive right on in, and we're going to get to this web page. I'll put this in the description. And once you get to this web page, we're going to go up to the top right, and we're going to click on this tab, Create. This is going to bring up our editor view, and on the right, we have our preview of what our ChatGPT is going to look like, and then on the left, we have our configuration items. So on this configuration tab, we have our name, description, instructions, conversation starters, our knowledge base. So this could be a PDF or just a text file. I'm sure there's plenty of other file formats that you can upload here, but usually some sort of text that this ChatGPT can train on. In our case, we could upload a PDF of this user manual for PineScript, but instead we're going to just provide it the web browser URL, and I think we'll be good from there. Going back into our configuration, we're going to look at this Create tab, and this is going to fill out most of our configuration items. And so we're going to go down into this prompt, and I already wrote a prompt for us. So basically, we want an expert on PineScript that is going to assist us in creating strategies, indicators. It's going to help us look at our strategies and indicators and find any improvements that need to be made. Then I also provided the documentation to the user manual that I just was talking about. So once we look at this prompt and it looks pretty good, we're going to send it through using the arrow, and we're going to have some updates in our preview section. We'll update with our ChatGPT details. We've got some conversation starters here, our description. We don't have a name or a profile picture yet, so let's do a name. Let's say PineScript Pro. It's going to be our name. And it's going to generate a profile picture for us. Cool. That looks awesome. We got our profile picture, our name, description, conversation starters, and we are basically ready to go at this point. We can go back into our configuration items and see all of the details that have already been filled out for us. And we can go into this instructions here, and we can see that this has been changed a little bit for us. This is good. We could improve these instructions a bit more if we don't like what our bot is outputting, but we're going to leave it the same for right now. We can go into our conversation starters, and just for fun, we're going to do a strategy, and we're going to do a moving average strategy. You can see that update here in the preview. We also have our capabilities here at the bottom. We are going to want some code interpretation and some data analysis on this bot. And then we also have our actions tab down at the bottom. That is going to be a separate video. But all of our configuration items are all set, and we can go over here to the top right and we can create, and we're going to share our GPT, and we're going to share it with the store. And we have our category, programming. That's good. We'll save that. And there you go. Our GPT has been published to the GPT store. You can go right to the link and look at it. And I'm going to create a moving average pine script strategy for me. Let's try that one out. Write up all of our code. See what else it provided. So let's take this code. We're going to copy this, and we're going to go right into TradingView, and we're going to select, just copy and paste that in here. And then let's add that to the chart. And there you go. We have created an assistant. It's already giving us working code right off the jump. I do see it's in version 5. We can tweak that in the instructions to give us more updated version 6 Pine script, but it's still working, and it's just seamlessly creating a strategy for us. And this will be a great assistant for our series to come. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment on what you guys would like to see in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.